In this video, we are going to show you how to import our templates into Photoshop. Please note, we recommend using Illustrator with our templates if you have access to it. With Photoshop opened, drag your template into the program as shown. A window will pop up. It will ask you which page you would like to open up. The first page lists detailed information about the template and what to watch out for. The second page has the template that you will design on. Select the second page option and go to the File Resolution option. For products that are using a textile material such as polyester, change the resolution to 600 ppi. For products that are using any other material such as vinyl, corrugated plastic, or PVC, set the ppi to 1000. Files below the minimum can still be printed but might not reach the optimal print quality. Once you have the correct resolution set, click OK. Make sure to design on a separate layer from the template and save the file out. We recommend saving the file out as a PDF and using our presets so no information is lost during export. You can find our presets and download them by viewing the Job Options Information instructional PDF that is located on the Downloads tab of each product page. When designing on the template, do not edit the template in any way. This could cause the design to fail when you send us your design. If you need any additional information or help, you may contact customer support or check out our template design and artwork warning playlists on YouTube.